Another day in the life, another day in my random life of a computer science student. Alright, so in today's video I would like to talk about why did I change my main computer. That beast had a RTX 4060 for gamers. If you're curious, it was basically the Zephyrus G14 of 2023. It still is quite powerful, honestly. But yeah, the thing is that currently I'm not using that laptop as my daily driver. Actually, the one that I'm using now as a daily driver for university and like everything basically is this beast. Okay, this beast, oh my god, I'm in love with this computer. And yeah, as you can see here, it's basically a office laptop, a really it's basically a laptop from the government. Pretty nice still. I think the design is pretty nice, pretty good, you know. Why did I change the gaming one for this one? I can tell you that this one is way better than the other one. And I'm gonna explain you why, because I have some reasons. Alright, so first of all, I need to say that this video is focused on productivity stuff, okay? It's not for the general user. It's for me that I'm focused on being productive and basically study and work more, okay? Having that in mind, I can start with the first argument. Basically, there's an idea or like a movement that is called digital minimalism. In a few words, digital minimalism is basically to use technology for specific purposes and use basically the less technology that you can for the task that you want to do. Because actually there is like a whole book that I read about this. It's called Digital Minimalism. Yeah, this one over here. Anyways, so as I'm focused on studying right now, I started to think, you know what? Why do I need so much power, you know, and so much like of a device? This may seem like quite stupid and like weird, because when you have like a single device like this one for focus on productivity, for example, in my case is to code, study and basically do computer science related stuff. So as I said before, one of the core ideas of digital minimalism is basically to have specific devices for specific tasks. For example, I know because it's like a rule with myself that this computer, I'm gonna use it basically only for productivity tasks and not to, I don't know, watch YouTube or like consume any kind of like digital content. And then every single piece of digital content, for example YouTube, that I consume is basically through my phone. While you're using like every single device, it tells your brain that is like the time to do something specific. For example, when I'm using this device, just the fact that I'm using it, it tells my brain that it's time to work or it's time to study or code or whatever. But then, for example, when I use my phone, unconsciously I know that I can watch any type of content here. It's not like the time to study or the time to work. Because if you think about it, nowadays we have like really complicated devices with like a lot of, you know, the latest technology. We can basically do whatever we need from one single device. And this may seem really good, right? I mean, you can do everything. You can chat with your friends, you can play video games in the same device, you can watch videos, you can listen to music. But honestly, when you have all these possibilities centralized in a single device, you tend to multitask a lot. So if you want to be more effective with the work that you're doing, it is actually better to use a single purpose device, basically the thing that I have just explained to you. Because yeah, of course I can use this computer to study and use the other laptop to study as well, but my efficiency while doing that task is not gonna be the same in one device or in the other one. Okay, just to put an example, let's say you are a person that really likes to play video games. Okay, the best idea if you're interested in improving your studying will be to basically play video games in a console, let's say PS5, and study in your computer. Okay, that was the tactical reason, okay, the core reason why I changed my laptop to a $150 one. But now there's another core reason, okay? This is the nerdy ass reason why I changed to this laptop. So you probably notice it has Linux. Okay, yeah, I know, nerdy ass reason, but honestly it has worked quite well for me. Okay, I highly recommend you to get a ThinkPad, mainly if you're a computer science student or like software engineering student. You're gonna learn a lot every single day, you know, a lot of commands. You're gonna speed up a lot of processes related to software. Of course, you can customize it a lot, you can learn a lot of things. And also using Linux and the terminal for the market, I think it's quite valuable in the market, in the, you know, technological market. And even if you're not a computer science student, you can automate a lot of, processes and like, just by installing a few things. Yeah, and for those who are interested in the model of this computer, is basically the ThinkPad T490. So yeah, overall a great computer for university students, at least for the price. Well, I think that was basically everything that I wanted to say for today's video. Look, my shitty ass script. Anyways, thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Make sure to subscribe, comment something. Bye.